Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Welcome back. Today I'll be showing you exactly how to add photos in Notion. Whether you want to upload a picture, embed an image from the web, or jazz up your page with something from Unsplash or Jiffy. By the end of this tutorial, you're going to be able to visually enrich any Notion workspace with just a few quick clicks. Let's get started right away. So first things first, open up your Notion workspace. If you're not in the right page yet, just navigate to where you want your photo to appear. Whether you're working on a personal journal, a team project dashboard, or maybe you're setting up a recipe collection, the process is exactly the same. It doesn't matter if this is a brand new page or an existing one where you want to insert your image. Just make sure you're where you want that photo to show up. Now, ready for the magic command. Click into the spot on your page wherever you want your photo to go and start typing /image. That's right, just type the / followed by the word image. You'll see a drop-down pop-up as soon as you start typing the /, so if you're a bit unsure, don't worry. Notion's commands are always ready to help you. An image is one of the quickest ways to insert any kind of visual into your workspace. It might feel a little bit like casting a spell, but it's really just Notion's way of making things super efficient for you. Once you've hit enter, Notion will give you a few different options for adding your photo. Let's walk through these together so you can pick whichever one suits your needs best. The first and probably most familiar option is to upload an image directly from your computer. Maybe you have a screenshot saved, a personal photo, or a graphic you designed. All you need to do is click Upload, choose your file, and wait a moment for Notion to process it. And don't worry if it takes a couple of seconds for larger or higher resolution images. Notion is pretty reliable, but sometimes it just needs a moment to get things set up right. But what if your image is online? Maybe you found a perfect diagram or a meme you want to embed from the web. In that case, just use the Embed link option. Copy the image's URL from wherever you found it, paste it in, and Notion will handle the rest. This can be great if you're working collaboratively or want to keep the image updated from its source, since any changes to that online file will automatically show up in your page. Now, if you're looking for inspiration or just want to add a little extra flair, Notion also integrates with Unsplash and Jiffy. Unsplash is perfect for finding beautiful free stock images, which is awesome if you're working on mood boards or presentations. Just type a keyword like forest or technology and Unsplash will serve up a selection of curated photos right inside Notion. And Jiffy adds that fun, animated twist. If you want to make your page pop with a meme or a reaction GIF, search it in Jiffy and add it in seconds. That's the full process. As you can see, Notion makes it amazingly simple to add visuals in a way that suits every situation, whether you're managing a work task, sharing travel photos with friends, or just want your workspace to look a little brighter. Just remember, start by typing image, choose the option that works for you, and your page will come alive. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button so others can find it too. Drop any questions you might have in the comments. I'm always happy to help troubleshoot or explain an extra step. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy Notion tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.